Hi, I already baked my 3-pound bowl and now I'm ready to glaze it. The glaze I will choose is going to be copper red inside, and then I will turn it upside down because I have, as you can see, I have lots of chattering texture. I will use the underglazes to coat it here, and then use a wax to protect it, and then dip it into the other glaze on this section. And then I will have an overlap, and because both glazes, the combination of copper red and the outside glaze is a running glaze, so after fire you fuse down on, it will create a very interesting pattern on the inside. So that's my intent. So I'm going to show you how I glaze it, the whole process, and then after fire I will show you the result. Okay, so first I will just pour in the copper red glaze. I try to fill in as much as I can, all the way to the very top. Okay, just a little bit by the rim, so I can just turn it so that the glaze covers all over almost to the rim. Okay, and then just pour it out fast. So when you pour it out fast, you don't have lots of drip here. Or if you even have a drip, it's okay. You wait till the inside glaze dry, and you can just use the knife or some kind of sponge to just remove the rim. So this is the inside glaze, and I will wait the glaze completely dry and then try to do the outside. So now I wait till the glaze completely dried, and then because I pour out the glaze from this side, so there's a little bit of glaze on the rim. And I usually said before that the glaze is made out of powder, so it's easy to remove it. I just using a metal rib. You can scrape it up. And even you could use this kind of like a sanding paper, so you can just kind of go back and forth on the rim, and you will be able to remove it. So that even on the back of here, just remove it. Right. So I put a piece of newspaper here, so I don't need to clean up, just throw it away. And then I put a piece of rubber here so that my pot doesn't slip off. Put it right here. I put it on the wheel so that I will have a better uniform pattern of the underglazes. So I switch my wheel on. I tap center it. Okay, I'm ready to coat the underglazes here right on my chattering texture. Okay, I'm going to put two different underglazes on my texture. One is a sky blue western underglaze. It's a UG21, and then this is the other one. It's a Duncan CN074. It's kind of like a red color, and I will brush them on and blend them together. Okay, so first I will do the sky blue underglaze first. you are brushing the underglazes, you better to choose a good brush, like a Chinese brush. You can absorb more of the underglaze. Then you don't. You could brush more evenly when you have more glazes, more underglazes on your brush. So this is the sky blue. I brush them on evenly. Okay, and then I wash up my sky blue underglazes, and this is the red one. I'm going to coat it on next. And basically, this underglazes is good to fire to cone 04, but actually I fire them to cone 10, 11. So by then the underglaze, even it's underglazed, it got mature, so it get a little bit of sheen. So I don't usually put another coat of glaze over. I just leave my underglazes right there on my texture without any glaze to cover it. So I just distribute the two underglazes evenly right on my cheddar mark. And then after that, because I told you that I'm going to dip the different glaze over. It's like a tea dust glaze here, but when I'm dipping it, I want my glaze have a very nice clean cut. That's why I brush the underglaze over to protect the glaze from sticking in on my. I just brush on the underglazes, so I just carefully brush the wax resist over. You don't need to go all the way up, but in case you hand tip over, it didn't go. The glaze doesn't cover the texture here, so you might want to brush like a ½ inch up. Okay, so I have my wax resist brush over my underglazes, and then wait till the wax completely dry. Then I'm going to dip this section into the tea dust glaze, and then put a little bit here. I will show later. Okay, so now all I can do is just wait till the wax dry. Okay, now come to the last step that I'm going to glaze here and also inside of my foot. Here I have little bubble rubber sucker that I can suck up a glaze, and then just drip it on the inside of my foot. Okay. Right. And then the final step is dip it in. I showed you before, I have a wax resist here, so I will have a clean cut. So just push it in all the way till the edge of the wax resist. slowly pour it out. So as you can see, because they wax resist, I have a really nice, clean and straight line on the border of my chattering mark and also the glaze. And let me show the inside, because it's very important, the before and after effect. Okay, the inside looks like this, a little bit of overlap on the edges. And after fire, the glaze shows a very interesting pattern, because the glaze fused down and create a very nice natural flow of the glaze effect. I will show you the result after fire. Okay? Okay, I promised to show you the result of the 3-pound ball that I glazed, and here's the result. And I brought it outside under the sun so you will be able to see the color more clearly. And I told you that I was using the copper red on the inside and the kind of like tea dust on the outside. And this is the under glazes. Applied it on my chattering mark, and I used the wax to coat it and dip this glaze. I have a nice clean cut here, so you see that the line is quite straight. And also on the inside of this bowl, I showed you before, it was a little bit of overlap on the rim dip, because I dip it this way. You see that after fire, it just fused down and create a very nice running of the combination of the glaze. And here is the result. Okay, thanks for watching.